The part where I'm called Jamaica idiot girl, because I feel the same way. I feel that Jamaica is like one dirty cheating girl where she do me something bad, but she do me something so good. no matter what happened, I always have to go back to her. Alright, so people, welcome to SouFloTv again. It is your host with the most. Check this out, man. Before I start, this is the link. I want you to go and look for Onstage TV. Onstage TV with Mr. Winford Williams. Okay, just type in Onstage, O-N-S-T-A-G-E, Onstage space TV. Alright? I want you to look up the interview that Twins of Twins just did on Onstage most recently. In an interview, Twins of Twins talk about Jamaica coming like a idiot girl. So Jamaica do him something. One of the twins said Jamaica do him something is like, no matter what Jamaica do him, him have to go back. So on that note, I can relate. The man also talk about how he's a patriotic Jamaican and patriotism is welcomed all the time. On that note, I can relate. He said some very, very offensive stuff though. And here what I talk about, watch this. Jamaicans out there, Jamaicans who are living in foreign lands, you have no say in this conversation as far as how Jamaica is ran and what is going on in Jamaica. That is not my words, that is what Twins of Twins said. That caught my attention when he said that. The man said, furthermore, hear what I'm saying again. Then after that, him follow up and said this. If your money, if your paycheck, to be exactly what he said, if your paycheck is coming from Uncle Sam or England or any other country, Canada, wherever you are at, you're not in Jamaica, you're not Jamaican no more. Jamaica not concerned about you and the things that are going on in Jamaica not concern you. You're good already. Wow. Alright. Now, if you don't know what Twins of Twins are the two most famous twins out of Jamaica. They have been very relevant over a long period of time. The brother them brilliant. You know what I said? They're very entertaining. They're brilliant. Okay, they're not only just one-dimensional. Them do many things in the entertainment industry, and for that, them always had SouFloTv's respect over the years. But when me hear that comment there, and on the comment on stage, I left about 4 comments there because, and if you go there to that interview, you'll probably see my comments, because I was shocked. I was shocked that Twins of Twins thought in that small-minded way. And then I was shocked that Mr. Winford Williams, Winford, big up yourself, King. Mr. Winford Williams always say Winford are the boss, because if you don't know, Onstage TV is the place where you have to go in order to highlight your thing with a real highlight. You know what I say? So if your thing not reach yet and it's a bubble and you want it reach, you have to go sit down on Onstage or get a spot featured on Onstage TV. So big up to Mr. Williams for that. But I was surprised that Mr. Williams never challenged them with that train of thought. By them saying that, I don't know, I'm afraid of them or what, I don't know. Mr. Williams, please come talk to it, because I don't understand it. How you make the man them sit down there and talk them kind of sugars there? The interview was good till them get to the part there and start talk about Jamaicans living in a foreign or get them paycheck from other country, because them are working in other countries or whatever. They're not concerned. This conversation don't concern them. Oh, then the man went on, Twins of Twins went on to say this, even more. The man said, are we at the Twitter fingers? Are we up on social media said the most about who fi do this and who not to do this and who not to vote for and who fi shut your mouth because you don't have no part in this, the man said. Now, let me address this real quickly. Have you ever heard of residual dollars? Because enough people in Jamaica, where I put on them pot every day and I feed them family every day and I pay them bills every day because them have family members are foreign and I dress nice at every dance because and I go out and party and sport because them have them family at foreign where still take care of them. Them have them family at foreign where send on them money, send in them barrel. Them can go to Western Union and pick up a thing every now and then, and every now and then them stretch it and them can live good without having to go run down a 9 to 5 and run round and ball and say, Lord, nothing and go on for me. Oh, I'm hungry. You know, so we are dead down here. So, for you to say something like that, twins of twins, for you to say that Jamaicans living abroad don't have any say in how the country are run and what are going on in our country, I feel say you need to come clear up that talk there. Let me ask you this, and I want you to think with intelligence. If I have my mother, my grandmother, my sister them, and my brother them, my wife, so on and so forth, still living in Jamaica, and I'm the one who fly out. I get the opportunity, I fly out, I there foreign and work on money. So I there England and work on money then. My money are coming in pounds. Jamaica get raped when it come to the pounds. So that means that when me send in a few pounds, it can stretch far and feed all them people that want me to talk about. And I still can enjoy myself a foreign as far as living comfortably then. So I'm not up here and live like dog and I get box round. Are you telling me that people like that are disconnected, we have no right? So that means when things get mashed up and I go bad in the country, we are not supposed to be concerned about our family members that are still there. Our family members that are actually an extension of us. It is our yard, you know. When I run, we're gone nowhere permanently. So I can't understand this train of thought where because you leave your yard. So it's like this. Me look at it like this. It's like a girl, I tell a man, say, yeah man, pay for me to go to university, pay for me to get a degree here, pay for me to get a little apartment uptown so I want to live nice, pay for me to go out and sport on the weekend them and them thing there. And then she arrived, right? And she said the whole way she said, no, you can't touch me. No, you can't get none of that pum pum. No, you can't. Yo, so what y'all trying to say? Yo, I don't know what to say, people. Go and check out the interview and look into exactly what the twins are saying. Me say it already, me will say it again. I have enough respect for the twins. I have enough respect for Onstage. I have enough respect for Mr. Winford Williams. But that part of the interview, Winford Williams, Mr. Williams should have checked the twins and said, whoa, stop it. Have you ever heard of residual dollars? That means money are coming from foreign. Matter of fact, a greater part of the Jamaican economy is held up by family members sending in money to their family members. Because the last time me did down at Jamaica, it was around Christmas time, and when me go to Western Union, Mr. Western Union line them long. Matter of fact, Western Union, me never know so Western Union could have do this because they don't do it in a foreign. Western Union run out of money. That's to show you, and they had to close down and wait until money come in to start issue out the people their money again. So that's to show you how many people, and this was just in one little place in a Clarendon, in a Christiana. So this is just to show you how there are many people here in a foreign lands that are sending home money to their families. So you tell me that those people don't have a say-so in what going on in the country. That was one of the most ignorant statements I've ever heard. And I took offense to it because the shoes not fit. I did I try put my foot in my shoes and it squeezed me real bad. I have to take off the shoes there real quick. Because when them say people living in foreign lands and them say the most on social media, the part that they kind of fit me. But when them say you have no say in this conversation, the shoes, burn my foot, me have to fling off the shoes quick and address the matter fast. Okay? People in foreign lands, especially Jamaicans, have families they take care of. Not especially Jamaicans. I could deal with just Jamaica right now. The Jamaican them we are living a foreign. enough of it, majority of us, me not talk about the one them where they are sport out the whole of them money, you know, and I show everything on social media. Oh, me get big car, yes, me buy a house, me I live nice, and them mother there Jamaica dead for hungry, and that's some little foreign girl them up your mind. Me not talk about them one day, you know. Me not talk about the one them will come afar and come sit down on welfare, you know, and nah do nothing, you know. And me not talk about the one them will come here and I teach people things and I run up and down. Me not talk about them one day, you know. Me I talk about the majority of us that come here. Some of us come here and work all 2 jobs and 3 jobs. Some of us come here and work illegally under the table. Them call it. Some of us come here and take some job where not even John Crow no want pitch on it. And demean ourselves. And we just look in the mirror and tell ourselves, say, you know what? Nobody up here don't know me, but me I work that little money here and the whole of the money I go back home. Some of us come here and do all these things and send our money home for better, not just with family, because when we're family good, collectively, we help out the economy of our country. So we wipe shame out of Jamaica, yeah. So people that are looking in can't say, damn, the whole family they suffer. Upon the next family that the whole of them suffer. And nobody can ask the question, so they don't have nobody foreign who can send in a little thing for them. So I don't understand how Twins of Twins made this comment. Twins of Twins remind me of, I'm sure so them have them visa and can fly out. I'm sure so them can relocate if they wanted to. But Twins of Twins remind me of them Jamaican there that like to come on social media and burn out foreign. Because them not get a visa yet. Them burn out foreign because life hard which part them there. And them burn out foreign because them apply for a visa on the low and not tell nobody while them are burn out foreign. But you see once them get that visa there, they happy like pig and shit and them fly out with it. And when them fly out with it they say, Master, listen, a party time of foreign for them. And now you're going to see them things change on social media car, beer, sport and I go on. Nothing constructive. Them people there. And that Twins remind me of. Because I don't see how they could have came up with this. I'm not going to keep the vlog here too long anymore because it's early in the morning. I have to go get ready for work. That's why my face probably looks so. But people, we have to do that vlog here. For me to go look upon the thing, I'm going to say it again. Go to Onstage TV. Onstage space TV. You're gonna find it with Winford Williams. Look for the interview that Twins of Twins just did. You can even type in your search browser, Twins of Twins calls Jamaica a idiot. Some of you feel the same way upon that. Some say big up Twins of Twins for that, but the idiot talked about people with Jamaicans or they are foreign, will fly out and your paycheck is coming from Uncle Sam. You have no say in what is going on in Jamaica and how the place will run. I like that. I burn out them talk. Them. Matter of fact, before I close, let me say this. This is the mentality that promotes the kind of behavior where, because my cousin said, boy, cause you're there foreign so long, when you come Jamaica, you know, a foreigner, them look upon you as them not even look upon you as a Jamaican again. I find that offensive. That is the kind of mentality that promotes people coming home, working for years, saving up their money, coming home and say, all right, I'm going to live back in my yard now. Now me I go build a little house. Now me I go enjoy my life, probably open a business, and people running upon you, beg you, till you give, till you give everything what you work for, and then them kill you when you can't give no more. That's the kind of mentality that promote that kind of behavior. There. What Twins of Twins should have said is, the Jamaicans living in foreign, them are very important because they relate to the world on a wider base, on a wider scale. They must see more outside, they must interact with more outside, and their influence is more wider spread. That's how I should have said. That would have been the intelligent thing to say than to say something like Jamaicans living in foreign. If your paycheck come from Uncle Sam or from England or one of them places, you have no say as to what is going on in the country. On a like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, listen, I'm going to need you to start liking, meaning under the video, when the video is done, you will see the thumbs up or thumbs down button. I'm going to need you to start rape off the thumbs up button there. Press it, press it, press it, press it. Thumbs up the video them. You're gonna need to start share these videos. You know what I say? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, man, and tell me what you think about the conversation here. Are you one of the Jamaican them that can relate to this? How do you feel that you're living in foreign? How do you feel? Do you feel like you don't have a say into what's going on in Jamaica at all? Talk to me about me here, what I have to say. It's SouFloTv, I'm up out of here. Peace.